everyone. This afternoon, we come to the stand of the Sichuan Precision Technology Ltd. And here with me is Ms. Zhou. They are manufacturer of the smart components. Ms. Zhou, is this the first time your company come to our PTC show?
Actually, we come here every year, and we also go to Hanover Messe every 2 years.
Okay, so you are our old friends, not only in Shanghai, but also in Hanover.
Yes.
Okay, so this year, do you bring us any new products?
Yeah, as you know, our main products are pulleys, bushings, hand pulleys, coupling, and sprockets. And we can also produce robotic arms. The robotic arms can greatly solve the problem of short-term labors. Actually, that's the main problem we are facing in mechanical industry. So use the robotic arm. This will increase efficiency and shorten the delivery date and increase the precision of our production.
And at present, there are so many new technology, 5G, AI, and LOT. And how do you think these new technology could support your company to cater the development of the new technology? And what's the direction of your research and technology?
We continuously promote the integration and upgrading of the integration, and with the new technology and the scale, this will help us to deliver our manufacturing. We also set up the industrial big data system and develop the big data application combined with 5G, intelligent manufacturing, and LOD-led production. Along with the LOD production, we can solve the problem of intelligent machine tools and robot handling system with a monitoring system and management system, which will maximize the potential of our plant.
So besides the product, also service is one kind of product, especially in the overseas market. So you just mentioned you have gone to the Hanover Messe for many years. Besides providing the most suitable products to the users, how do you think about the transformation of the company turning from the product supplier to the service suppliers?
Our product specification and models, we have over 80,000 models here. This can satisfy the need of different customers' needs. And we also can provide small batches and customize the products. Besides, we have set up the industrial big data system. The big data system, we can do sales prediction and the stock prediction, and then we can stock many high volume parts which our current customer needs. So this will shorten our delivery and reduce the customer's inventory. As I said, the service I think is very important.
Yeah.
We can say service is a product, right? And now with the intensification of the competition in our industry, I think the service becoming more and more important nowadays. And I will say that will be the leading, if we want to win in this market, we have to do more to our service oriented, and we will take the chance. And actually we have devoted a lot to change from a product manufacturer to a service oriented manufacturer.
So it seems that John is a leading company in the industry. So how does your company manage to keep pushing the envelope in the terms of products and technology and be ahead of other type of products in the market? And how do your company obtain a very good market share all these years?
Okay, through the constant breakthrough of our technology and our consistent quality control, this year's actually, Sichuan Precision has been the leading brand in domestic mechanic component industry because of our big quality. And we also, by means of automation and skillful technology, now we have done a lot to our technology and combined to maximize the production of our manufacturing. We also set up the research and development team here. Actually, we have already obtained 74 patents here. So we can constantly making new products to satisfy the needs of our current customer. We have 16 patents for invention and 56 for utility model patents and 2 design patents. I think in this way, we can constantly produce new products, and with new technology based on our big data platform, I think that will be very competitive. I hope so.
Okay, so thank you for your introduction, and I can't wait to see your products. Please share us more details about your company and the products you are showing this time.
Okay.
And we wish you a very successful presentation this year.
Thank you. Thank you.